Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trades. Today we're going to be doing a freight car, and we're going to be building this BNSF covered hopper here. And I have done a bunch of different covered hoppers last year in 2021, but it's been a while since we've done one here. And this one is slightly upgraded, and I feel like it's our most detailed one yet. So let's get right into the build here. So we're going to start off with the coupler here, so take out a dark oak stair. And we'll attach that up. Under it, a sideways dark oak fence gate. And then another dark oak fence gate on this bottom middle. Above that, we're going to put a red terracotta. Behind that, we'll do the first truck. So on the next block down, we're going to do a set of netherite wheels with an end-rod axle. And I was having some trouble placing it. We need a set of wheels here, like that, with an axle. Then behind this, we're going to go 3 wide with dark oak stairs and an upside down back-to-back T-shaped pattern. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end-rod axle. Put a hopper on the side of all 4 wheels. And then in the middle, we're going to put 2 spruce fence gates and open them. Same thing on this side here. Then on this top middle, we'll put 4 red terracotta. Then coming off that on this top middle, we're going to do a line of red terracotta right up the center. That's going to be 19 blocks long. So this sticks out 19 blocks past where these wheels are. Then at this end, on the next block down behind this, we'll do a set of netherite wheels with an end-rod axle. Then 3 wide with dark oak stairs and an upside down back-to-back T-shaped pattern again. And another set of netherite wheels and an end-rod axle. Put a hopper on the side of all 4 wheels down here. Then 2 spruce fence gates opened up in the middle of each side. Then up here we'll do 5 more red terracotta so it sticks off one. Then we'll turn this way and put a dark oak stair up here for the coupler. And then under it, 2 sideways dark oak fence gates. Now come up under here. We'll measure out 3 blocks, and on the 4th block a red terracotta. Take out these temporary blocks. Do the same thing at the other end. Measure out 3 blocks and a red terracotta on the 4th block. Then we're going to take mangrove stairs upside down, and we're just going to go all the way around this red terracotta down here so it wraps around all 4 corners. It's having some trouble getting it placed, but make sure all 4 corners wrap around. Do the same thing here with upside down mangrove stairs, making sure it wraps around all the corners here. Then in between here, there's 1 more bay, so we're going to put a red terracotta right in the middle. And we'll do the same thing, upside down mangrove stairs, all the way around that block, wrapping around all 4 of the corners. Then we'll come up here with red terracotta and we'll put 3 on top of all these sets of stairs. And do the same thing on this side, so 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. Then go back to upside down mangrove stairs, 1 on each side, like this, on all 3 of these. Then turn around and upside down stairs going this way on each side of all 3 of them here. Now, on this top outside edge, we're going to go to mangrove slabs up here. And we're going to put 1 here and 1 here and stop before the wheels. And then we'll bring it down the side. And then at this end, we stop 1 block before these wheels. Then repeat it on this side, stop 1 block before the wheels, come down this side, and stop 1 block before the wheels down here. Then we'll take mangrove slabs, we'll put 1 here, 1 here, same thing on this side, 1 here, 1 here. Repeat it at this end, so 1 here, 1 here, then 1 here and 1 here. Then take mangrove stairs upside down and put a row above the wheels here. Actually, this one needs to be a smooth court stair. So we'll do the same thing here. 2 upside down mangrove stairs, smooth courts, mangrove. Then we repeat that at this end. 2 upside down mangrove stairs, smooth courts, mangrove. And 1 more corner to go. Do the same thing over here. Now come on the side with oak signs. We're going to put 2 right here in front of the wheel. Then skip 2, 1 sign, skip 2, 1 sign. Repeat it from the other end. So we're going to do 2 here, then skip 2, 1 sign, skip 2 and 1 sign. Then we do it on this side. So 2 up here, skip 2 and 1, skip 2 and 1. Then come to this end, 2 right here, skip 2 and 1 sign, skip 2 and 1 sign. Now come up here with red terracotta, and right here we're going to go 3 wide on this top middle with it. Then we're going to come down the side with red terracotta right here, and then where these holes are, we'll come across 3 wide, and then back up this side. Then we'll take mangrove stairs upside down, come across here, around the corner, and we're going to go all the way around this with upside down mangrove stairs. Then around the corners here and here, and all the way back up this side with upside down stairs. Then once that's done, we're going to go all the way around the top outside edge of this with red terracotta. And then 5 across here, and back up this side. Then we'll do the same thing again here. So we're going to do another layer of red terracotta all the way around this top outside edge. Then on top of the end here, 5 upside down mangrove stairs here. Come to this end and 5 upside down stairs facing this way on this end. Then we'll go back to red terracotta, come 5 across these stairs, and all the way down the side. Then 5 across these stairs, and all the way down this side. Then on top of the end again, 5 upside down stairs here, and 5 upside down stairs facing this way over here. Then up here, we're going to put a red terracotta on each side, and then 5 coming across here so it sticks out like that. Do the same thing on this end, red terracotta on either side, and 5 across here so it sticks out. Then we'll come up each side with red terracotta and fill it in. And same thing over here. Then on this top end, we're going to put 3 red terracotta on the middle and 3 at this end. And on this top outside edge, we're going to do a full row of outward facing right side up mangrove stairs. And we'll do the same thing on this side, a full row of outward facing mangrove stairs up here on this side. Then we'll go ahead and fill the whole rest of the top here, 3 wide, with red terracotta. Bring that down to the other end here. Just like that. Then we're going to come down in this corner here and put a column of mangrove fences, 4 high here, and a column over on this side here. Repeat it at the other end. So a column of fences here, then here. Then come down in here. We're going to put a string in this left hand hole down here. Then we're going to put 2 sideways anvils for the brake cylinder. Then 2 mangrove fences here, and close a jungle trap door on it for the brake wheel. Then take lightning rods and put 3 horizontal lightning rods across here. So it looks like that. Then we're going to take out mangrove fence gates. And we're going to come on this fence here and do a column of fence gates coming up. Right up to this very top. Then we're going to open these top 3 fence gates like that. Then on the side of this, we'll do a column of fence gates coming up like that and open the top 2. So there's 4 fence gates on the side. Then here we'll do a full column of fence gates coming up this side. That one's not supposed to be there. And then 4 on the side here. Open these top 2. Then we'll come to this end. We're going to do 4 fence gates right here. Open the top 2. Here we'll do a full column of fence gates up to the top. And we're going to open the top 4. Then here we'll do a full column of fence gates again up to the top. And on this side we do 4 and open the top 2. Now come up here, birch button on either side down here, and open a birch fence gate on the top middle. Do the same thing at this end, open a fence gate up here and a button on either side down here. Then we're going to crouch and put an iron trap door over that birch fence gate. Then 3 across here. Then we're going to put a full row of iron trap doors coming down either side of this, like that. Bring it right down to the other end. And then come across this end and crouch and get one on this birch fence gate. Then we're going to take polished diorite slabs 1 block from the end and put 4 of them. Come 1 block from this end and put 4 of them. Then we're going to put a flower pot here and here. Then go back to polished diorite slabs. And we're going to come over by 6 and here over by 6. Then a flower pot in the middle right here. Now we're going to add all the detailing. And we're going to come down in this bottom right corner. Right here, put 2 oak buttons. Then we're going to skip a block over, knock out 2 of these and put in black concrete. Skip a block over again, and 2 birch buttons this time. Then we need a regular item frame, and put 2 item frames on the black concrete. Then we're going to come over here, skip 2 more birch buttons, 2 oak, and I put 2 birch here, but it only needs to be 1 birch button. Then above the oak, we're going to put 2 more oak buttons up here, and behind this, a 2x2 of oak buttons. Then we're going to skip 1, 2 birch buttons, then knock out these 3 and put in smooth quartz blocks. Then up here, 3 birch buttons. And then we have to repeat this whole process on the other side. So we'll start down here in this corner here. 2 oak buttons, skip a block, knock out 2, put in black concrete with item frames. Then skip 1, 2 birch buttons. Then skip 2 birch buttons, a 2x2 of oak buttons, a birch, and another 2x2 of oak buttons. Then we'll skip 1, 2 birch buttons, knock out these 3 blocks, put in smooth quartz, and 3 birch buttons on top up here. Now come into a loom with a black banner, white dye, put a white border on it and a horizontal in the center. Then go to a red banner in white dye. We're going to put a vertical on each side, horizontal in the middle, horizontal on top, horizontal on bottom. New banner. A vertical on each side and a diagonal. New banner. A diagonal and a horizontal on the top and bottom. New banner. Vertical on the left, horizontal on top, horizontal in the middle. Then go to red dye and put a red border on all 4 of these letter banners. And then we can come place these. We're going to put these black ones on these 2 item frames here. And then same thing on this side. Put the black ones on these 2 item frames. Then up here on top, we'll use the other banners to spell out BNSF right here. And of course, we'll do it over here, so come up here and spell out BNSF. Then we need to come in and grab a birch sign here. And we're going to put 4 birch signs under these 4 banners here. And we'll do the same thing on this side here. 4 birch signs under these banners. Just like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our BNSF covered hopper here. Our most detailed version yet. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.